Where do you see short-term rentals heading in the next few years? We just because it's a lot of national news now about how short-term rentals have changed over the last few years. Obviously, COVID shaped it, but then people feel like it's on the way out, and then you see these national headlines about revenues down and things like that. I just love to hear for somebody like you that has your finger on the pulse with so many different properties. Where do you see short-term rentals heading in the next few years?
Well, we literally just ran our numbers today, like, because we're coming to the end of the month, so I track this stuff, and we're up year over year, across our whole portfolio. But I look at this like a sales team, where even though we're up overall, and the end is really the overall bucket of the assets, some of them are flat, some are up a lot, and a couple are down a little bit. That mutual fund of properties leads to an increase over my previous year. So really, what I look at is I don't care how I got there. Where do I see things headed? I think it depends on the market. I Here in New England, we've decided to focus on classic vacation markets that seem to be holding the test of time and popular across generations. Um, you know, Lots of folks want to buy investment properties with or vacation properties within a drive of a major city, like where they live. We
Mhm.
purposefully did not decide to invest in a market that was a 10-hour drive or a 4-hour flight, that we didn't really have too much kinship to, because we wanted to invest what we knew. And I do give this advice to people if they just don't know where to start. It's, well, what do you like? Where do you like to go? If you want to get into short-term rentals, maybe consider doing something in a market that you're familiar with, that you can get to, that just has a level of comfort for you.